Today I'm at the Chit Lom area. This is the very famous main road that runs along the Chit Lom area. Good to see the traffic back. But today we're going to go to the Pratunum Market. But most likely when you're in this area, you probably go to Central World Shopping Mall or you check out the Pratunum Shopping Mall. So have you guys been to this famous Pratunum Market? But anyway, let's go check out. Okay, we're almost there to the Pratunum Market. It's very easy to find, it's just right opposite. So that's the Pratunum Fashion Mall. And you head to the end, just go across this bridge and you're there, so easy to find. But yeah, a lot of people here. I think the busiest time is meant to be right around noon, so 12 to about 1 p.m. But a lot of people here already. Still, well, it's 3 in the afternoon now, but still a lot of people around. And here we are, one of them. I'm not actually quite familiar with this market. It's been a long time since I've been to the Pratunum Market, but yeah, a lot of clothes, shoes, and that sounds like good conditions to shop in for a group of people, you ladies out there. Yeah, but still not as crazy as I remember it used to be. It's good to see a lot of the shops are open, but this place used to be crowded with people. It looks like I came late maybe, since some of the shops are starting to close now. But a decent selection still at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Not sure if the entire market is like this, you know, mainly female clothes. But certainly this section I'm in is mainly female clothes. Yeah, looks like the selection is good actually, because they're not leaning towards, you know, only clothes that Thai women likes. Looks like they've got clothes that suitable for anyone out there, for tourists as well. Some shorts, 220 baht for a pair, which is not bad. Jeans, 250. So that's around £6 and 60, about just under 8 USD. Yeah, so yeah, this bit is very, very busy. Finally some clothes for men. Oh no, actually there's still. Let's go take a look. No, it looks like they're for women as well. So hopefully there's a market. No, I mean there's an area for men. But as far as this area, you got clothes for women and definitely a lot of clothes for children as well. Just this little area here, I think there's hundreds of shops available. So very, very good selection. Looks like there's a bit in there, but not too busy, so let's not head down that way. And definitely not as many food stores as I remembered before. Maybe if we head out there, then we'll have more chances. Yeah, I can see some smoke coming out, so. Finally some clothes for men, but looks like they're closing, and definitely not close to my taste. A lot of patterns on these clothes, but they're only 100 baht each, so very, very cheap. Looks like this lady is selling some fried food like sausages and chicken. And some fried cakes. Yeah, a little bit of food on this stretch of the road. Looks like it's some mixed ingredients with noodle, not pad thai, but it smells really good. The herb and stuff that she's adding into it. Some squids. Still looking for a section with more men clothing. Some clothes for men finally, and the prices is really good. A large shirt, probably still too small for us foreigners. A large shirt is 85 baht, so about £2 and just under 3 USD. But yeah, these shirts have patterns that looks a lot nicer. But a lot of bags here, Gucci, Adidas, Pradas. So very cheap clothing here. The selection is so vast. I'm pretty sure you'll find something that will suit to your taste. But let's go take a look inside the mini mall here. Oh yeah, air conditioning is always good. Not very busy in here. Maybe the prices is a little bit steeper. No price tags on them, so can't really tell you how much these cost. Yeah, but definitely not a lot of people in here. We'll take a peek around the corner. If it's not better, then not really much point checking this place out, really. Some prices here, 200 baht, 130 baht. So yeah, not that bad in terms of prices. Not quite sure why it's so quiet. But it's not a small mall, as you can see. It goes up a lot of floors. But I suspect as we head up, there will be even more shops unopened. Yeah, not much point checking this bit out, really. You can find anything in here out in the actual Pratunum Market. So let's head back out. One good thing about this market is there's a lot of air conditioning coming out from the shop, so a lot more bearable than other kind of markets. There are a lot of shoes here. Alright, another thing about this market is this whole area, including this little arena, there's a lot of wholesales going on, so people actually buy, well, if they want, they can buy in bulk here for an even better price. A lot of good quality trousers and shorts. Looks like there's some sort of indoor shopping area in there. Take a look in there in a minute. Probably some air conditioning inside. Yeah, so purses for 100 baht, and they look pretty decent to me. So good price there. Yeah, looks like, wow. Doesn't matter if you're a dude watching this video and you think, hey, there's nothing for men here. If you have another half, then definitely take them here for some really bargain products. But let's take a look inside this indoor place I've never been to. Probably end the video in here as well. This might be the arena. That actually it might be the same. Yeah, it looks like a really old shopping mall, not new. And it's just the same city complex mall I was in like 10 minutes ago. But a lot more people here. Passport bags. Yeah, so gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching again. If you like the video, then definitely subscribe for even more contents like these in the future. Thanks for watching again. Bye bye.